Hey guys, welcome back to Resin. Today I am opening this box. I did kind of open it a little bit, but I just thought, well, maybe you guys would like to see what Total Boat sent me, so we're going to open this box together. And I'm trying out a new setup and have redesigned my studio, so you may see some different settings than you've seen before, so bear with me as I try to figure out all the logistics and lighting for that. So let's open this bad boy up, and it's full. The only thing I saw was this, so there was paper on top, so I'll just show you guys what came. So all kinds of new mixing containers. These are so helpful and so handy. These are perfect for doing the smaller projects and mixing different colors and things. So thank you to Total Boat for sending me that. You guys can check out, they have so many different products on their website. Go check out their website, totalboat.com. They sent me some more different size mixing containers. Those are always appreciated and very handy. I was out of the other ones, so this was so well timed. Got some large ones because I am doing some big projects, because it's finally warm enough that I can do things outside. They sent me a roll of tape, which is awesome. They sent me a couple of sets of Maker Epoxy by Jess Crow. So got lots of resin, and I can get ready and get to doing a bunch of different projects. So that's going to be awesome. And this, I was very surprised at this. They sent me a heat gun, you guys. How awesome is that? I don't have a large heat gun, so this is really cool. All I have is like the small craft ones, which are great for small projects. But when you want to do things like river tables and tabletops, you need something larger. So I'm really excited to get to use that. Thank you guys so much. Thank you, Total Boat. I really appreciate that very much. All kinds of information on doing tabletops, so that's pretty cool. Having some tabletop, bar top, and tabletop project instructions. That is very handy to have for sure. And then in this one, they sent me some large mixing things. Oh, we got some scrapers here. We got some. These are great for spreading out epoxy on large tables and stuff. They told them I told them I was working on a tabletop and I ran out, and they hooked me up. They sent me all kinds of stuff. So more stir sticks. Let's see here. Oh, and more stir sticks. Can never have enough stir sticks. I think that's, oh, nope. One more thing down here. Ah, that's just the packing slip. So let's check this out, you guys. Got all kinds of awesomeness in here. They hooked me up for getting my project done. I don't know if you can see this, but I've already started the project. So this is going to be this is on top of a buffet that I'm working on. So you guys get a little sneak peek here. As soon as I'm done, I'm going to have that video coming up. But I started with their tabletop epoxy bar top and tabletop epoxy. Hang on just a second. Okay, so they sent me some more of their tabletop epoxy, and this stuff is really great. It's a 1-to-1 ratio. It's very durable and got a high quality shine to it. So really great product. So I'm really excited to finish this cabinet top off. And yeah, just thank you so much to Total Boat for sending me all these goodies. I'll be able to get my project finished, and got some Maker Epoxy to do some more projects. So really excited about that. Thank you so much at totalboat.com. And you guys go check them out. They have just about anything and everything you could ever want or need for epoxy, resin crafts, and projects, tabletops, large pours. Anything you can think of you can need epoxy for, they have a product for it. So go check them out. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!